Step into the shadows with HairLuminance and discover the hidden secrets of hair growth. With each revelation, you'll inch closer to unlocking the key to vibrant, healthy locks. Let HairLuminance be your guide on the journey towards hair rejuvenation and embrace a future filled with confidence and beauty. With HairLuminance as your guide, your hair will become a testament to your perseverance and determination. Let HairLuminance be your guiding light on this transformative journey, and let each page bring you closer to the hair of your dreams. Trust in the process and let your hair become a symbol of your inner strength. Experience the transformation firsthand and let HairLuminance unlock the potential within your hair. Explore the depths of HairLuminance and discover the keys to unlocking your hair's full potential. With each secret revealed, you'll inch closer to the lush, vibrant hair you've always dreamed of. Let HairLuminance be your guide on the path to hair transformation. With HairLuminance as your companion, your hair will become a testament to your inner strength and beauty.